Basically, this is what I'm doing, rubbing off the yellow coating of the headlight. So it takes only 2 to 3 minutes, and you rinse it, and you can see it's much clearer already compared to this side. This is more yellow. This is clearer. Pour some acetone into the paper towel and just run it over the headlight. You should pick up the yellow dirt, and then I'm going to clean it off. You can see this part here, I didn't rub it that well with a steel wool, so it's not perfect. So I'm gonna let it dry and see how well the headlight is after this treatment. Okay. So after you clean off the headlights with the acetone, it might look a little dull, so you have to polish it up with polish cream. So I use this Blue Magic metal polish cream. It's about $10 or so, and you just apply it like you apply wax and just buff it up. If you have a polisher, you can use a polisher, or you just use a soft piece of cloth and just buff it like you would when you're applying wax. And once you get a shine, then you can basically your job is done. You then have to apply a sealer. This is Mcguire's headlight coating. This is UV resistant, so you spray this on. You spray 2 coats. You spray it from about 6 inches. Don't do a thick coat or it might run. So just spray the whole headlight, and then wait a few minutes and then spray another coat, and that's it. Don't try to spray too many coats, and that's it. You do it for both sides, and then your headlights would be good for at least a few months. This is good supposedly for a year. So after a year, if you want to, you can do the same process again. Remove the dirt or whatever. If it's dull looking, spray this on again, and it will be good as new, almost. But I wouldn't recommend using this for a new headlight. If you have a new headlight, don't do this, because I did it to this headlight here. It looks clear, it is clear, but if you're not careful, especially after you spray it, if there's some moisture on it, if you sort of like touch it or buff it, then it would look hazy, and then you might have to remove the coating. So I wouldn't recommend doing it to a new headlight. On this side here, I did it, and then in the morning there was some water, and I just touched it lightly, and then it hazed up. So apparently the coating wasn't completely cured even after a whole night. So with the moisture, it sort of like makes it hazy, and I have to remove the coating entirely using isopropyl alcohol. So if your headlights are new, forget it. Wait until You don't have wait until the headlight is really hazy or yellow before you do this, because there's some risk to this. Okay, thanks for watching.